Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about oral hygiene. That's our teeth and our mouth, and the different ways you can try and prevent yourself or stop yourself from having bad breath. I know there are people who suffer from halitosis, which is a chronic illness of bad breath, due to very many reasons. So today I'm going to share with you tips on how you can stay away from having bad breath and how you can take care of your mouth and your teeth and your tongue to ensure that you have good breath and that you're ready to go, for those who like kissing. But before I start, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thank you so much for the support so far, and hope you're enjoying the content, and we promise to go back to being consistent, which is Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, to upload videos, and hope you enjoy. So like I said, people have bad breath because of many different reasons, but some of them could be maybe you're having tonsils. Some people suffer from diabetes, which also contributes to bad breath. Other people suffer from tooth decays, cavities, fillings that have broken or come off. Another reason could be maybe consuming acidic foods, which are maybe garlic, onions, tomatoes, lemons. Avoid acidic food. Avoid things that are going to make your mouth acidic, because then bacteria can come and live in. Something else to watch is people who take a lot of alcohol. That also makes the mouth acidic and also dry. And when your mouth is dry, then you can have bad breath. Too much tea or too much coffee. Also, it could be you're taking antibiotics. It could be maybe the drugs you're taking. People who go through chemotherapy and radiation also tend to have bad breath, because it dries up your mouth. So those are the things to avoid to ensure you don't have bad breath. So the trick is to eat healthy foods, lots of vegetables, lots of fruit, and lots of water. Another thing is when you're brushing your teeth, most people don't clean their tongue. So I'll show you today something that I use to clean my tongue. I usually use it in the morning, because if I use it in the evening when I've eaten, I feel like I'm going to gag. So I use it in the morning. Also flossing. If you have teeth that are too close to another like mine, I'll show you a secret today, something that you can use, because when I use the other floss, it's too painful and I tend to bleed. And just ensure to clean your teeth every 3 months. I do it 4 times a year. You can do it 3 times a year, it depends on you, but just go and get a general cleaning of your teeth at the dentist. It doesn't cost much. Also, that ensures that you're checking on your decays and on any of your fillings. Luckily, I've never had one in my life, and touch wood, I don't want to have one. Also, avoid taking too much sugar. People who take too much sugar, then they make the mouth acidic, then there's bacteria. So as much as people will take mints and gum and chew gum to mask the smell, you are not dealing with the bacteria, which is what is causing the bad breath. So the point is to ensure that your mouth is not at an acidic pH, and also number 2, to ensure that you do not have a dry mouth, because you need saliva to ensure that then there's whatever food you're eating is being digested and food doesn't remain around your tongue. So sometimes chewing is good. Water, brush twice a day, and floss twice a day if you can. Clean your tongue the least once a day. I try to do flossing twice and brushing my teeth twice. Cleaning my tongue is what I struggle with. I do it maybe fasting in the morning. If I don't do it in the evening, it's very hard, although I'll try. So I'll show you a few things that I use to help you maintain good oral hygiene. And if you know someone who suffers from bad breath, it can actually be a condition. So you could just politely let them know that they can seek help and they don't need to suffer in silence. And also, guys, mouthwash works. You can carry it around you, mouth spray. Just be conscious. If someone corrects you or tells you you have bad breath, don't feel like it's an attack. Sometimes it will also be just you're having sore throat. So it's just good to be aware that oral hygiene is also part of grooming. So I'll go straight into it and show you what I use and how I maintain good oral hygiene. So as usual, you have a toothbrush. I use the Sensodyne toothbrush, which is, I like it medium. I don't like it too soft or too hard. I like it this small because then I can maneuver around my mouth. These are my 2 favorite toothpastes. So this one I got it from Amazon, and I get this from a friend of mine in South Africa. But use whatever toothpaste works for you. This really works for me. I use this one because it also helps with whitening. There are many whitening toothpastes out there. That doesn't mean that they will work, but it helps, especially for me because I take a lot of coffee. I need to be very careful with discoloration of my teeth, and that's why I whiten my teeth, which I forgot to mention, twice a year. I go to a dentist and I ensure that I use healthy methods to whiten my teeth. I normally don't take there's this one where you are given some things to put in your teeth at night or twice a day. No, I usually go in and just whiten my teeth in 45 minutes or 1 hour. But ensure you go to a dentist so that they're using something that is not going to harm your teeth, because sometimes if you use a very strong product to whiten your teeth, then you'll suffer from sensitivity or weak teeth or weak gums. So just ensure you go to a legit dentist to whiten your teeth. So these are my 2 toothpastes. I'll show you the link where you can get them from. This is from Amazon, and I'll show you where you can get this from also. And then this is my tongue cleaner. So that's a new one, and this is it. You'll see what you just need to, I'll show you how to do it when I'm doing it myself. So how do you know you need to clean your tongue? When you have white particles on your tongue, it means that it's plaque and it's accumulated. So you need to clean your tongue twice a day. Like I said, I do it once because I struggle. Maybe on really good days when I'm not eating much, I'll do it in the evening. But cleaning your tongue is important. And then also, I carry around mint during the day just to use it in case maybe you've eaten food with garlic, or you're having a bad day where you have tonsils, or maybe you've not talked much or eaten much. You can use this mint. They are found at the sweet shop in Sarit. It's called Monty's. And then mouthwash is a must. I use mouthwash morning and evening, so they're easily available in the supermarket everywhere. And then this is what I use to floss, so I'll show you how to do it. This works for me because it uses water at a very high pressure to floss to go between my teeth, because the normal usual flossing which works really hurts my teeth because I don't have much space between my teeth. So I'll show you my routine and then link everything. So it's on now. You pick the amount of pressure you want. I usually do 10. So I can even show you without putting it in my mouth. You see how so that's the amount of pressure it's going to release in your mouth. So you go in between the spaces. So you're aiming to go here. You see, this is. So that's the flossing. So that pressure releases anything that is stuck in between. But take your time. I usually take like 5 minutes in total because I want to ensure I go through every teeth. Like I'll go. So because if I put it on, let me reduce the pressure. You see. So you see. Like, you see how that comes out. So that's how I floss instead of using the normal flosser. And you can use warm water here instead of cold water. So once I'm done flossing, I will then take my tongue cleaner. And now this is the one that is quite difficult, but you just have to do it. So you just take the tongue cleaner and you just go like this motion until your tongue is pink. If your tongue still has white stuff, it means it's not clean. And you have to go all the way to the back. Like that. So after I've done that like maybe usually 15 or 20 times, then I'm ready to use my mouthwash. You swirl it around your mouth for like 30 seconds and then you're done with my routine. This is what I do every day, morning and evening. Like I said, cleaning my tongue, I only do it in the morning before I've eaten anything, because in the evening I feel like I'm gagging. And that's all you need to take care of your oral hygiene. Ensure that you visit the dentist in case you have any cavities. Don't let it, people usually have cavities and ignore it and take time before they go to the dentist because they're afraid. That is what will lead to bad breath, and that is what will even make the other teeth get infected. I'm very grateful I've never had a cavity in my life because I'm not a fan of sweet, and I guess I just have genetically strong teeth. But it is very important to take care of your oral hygiene because it's part of the general body hygiene. Hope you've learned something. I'll link all the details of the stuff on the description box, and like this video, share, ask questions. And until next time guys, bye.